show you guys some pieces that I got from a store called Meaneor. I honestly don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm gonna put the name on the screen, but they were kind enough to send me 3 pieces. I'm gonna show you guys what they are and how they look. So you guys know that I work from home, so I like to be comfortable. I decided to get some chill pieces. Now I'm kind of scared because y'all can see I have a very small figure, so I don't know how it's gonna fit. I was reading the reviews and the people that, you know, put their weight down, they were like around the same size as me. They said to go a size up, so that's what I did. And I hope I didn't make the wrong choice. Like I said, I don't want it to be tight, so I don't mind if it's like baggy, but I don't want it to be too baggy to where it's falling off me. So I'm gonna try each piece on and show you guys how they look. So it came in this packaging. It's very nicely packed, very nicely folded. So this is how the first piece looks. So this is definitely something that I would just wear around the house. And it actually fits perfectly. It's not too big and it's not too small, not too tight. Yeah, it's just the perfect size, but I definitely feel like this is something that I would just wear in the house. Very like chill, lounge around. So this is definitely perfect for me to like just work in. And it does have pockets. And I was gonna get black, but I decided to get something a little different. I decided to go with purple, which is cute. The material is very, very soft. It feels so good. So the next item I chose was this blue shirt. This is in a size medium as well. I paired this with some biker shorts, very, very chill and comfortable. And you can wear this out, but basically I was looking for more chill clothes that I could wear inside while I'm working. But this can definitely be worn out. And this is the length of the shirt. This is the last piece that I was sent, so it's just a gray tank top. And this is actually in a size small. So it comes with a little slit on the side. This is how the back looks. So those are how the 3 clothing items look on me. I will have the links to these items down below and also to the website. And make sure you check the description box because there will be a code down there. There should be. But yeah, thank you guys for sending me these clothes. I do love them. They're very, very comfortable. And y'all will see these in some upcoming videos. Now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and get into the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have 2 orders to pack up. 1 huge order. This is my largest order I've ever received. When I received this order, I literally started crying. Like, bro, I was just so shocked. And then I got another order from a returning customer. I actually think this is her 5th time, so I want to send her a code so that she can use on her next order. But yeah, we're gonna package up these 2 orders and then we're gonna take them to the post office to get them out of here. She ordered the glosses Wealthy, scented with oils, Dream Chaser, scented with oils, and Obsessed, scented with oils. Super pretty. This customer ordered High Class, scented with oils, For Keeps, scented with oils, Sunkissed, scented with oils. These are all 8-ounce jars. This is just a different jar. Millionaire, scented with oils, Go Getter, scented with oils, Dream Chaser, scented with oils, and Wealthy, scented with oils. And then she got Birthday Cake, Strawberry, Blueberry, and Pineapple lip scrubs. 40 in total. It is now the end of the week. It's a couple days later, and I'm about to go ahead and pack up some orders so I can ship out today. The samples are very, very popular, so we have lots of sample orders. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholesale orders I'm gonna get out today. You guys enjoy. And if you're interested in any of our products, we do have everything available. I don't think anything is sold out right now. We have samples, lots of nude glosses, then our fun, Glisten Glam collection glosses, and our wand tubes. Y'all see the lip scrubs right there. These are for regular purchase. Then we have wholesale back there and wholesale jars, wholesale wand tubes. No one has ordered squeeze tube this week. But yeah, I am literally almost out of business cards, and I've been having trouble like deciding on what I want to do. I literally have 3 left, and I have more than 3 orders, and it's more than 3 new customers. So, you know, I feel kind of bad about that, but I don't know what I want to do because I'm changing the font of everything on the card, but I don't know if I want to like change the card completely. But I did order some thank you cards that still have yet to ship. I think they look really, really good, and hopefully they should be here sometime next week. But yeah, I still have yet to come up with a business card, so hopefully I can figure something out this weekend. is a 100 wholesale order. This is a 31 tube wholesale order. She got for Keeps, Simplicity, and Sunkiss. I'm so happy to see something other than nudes. This is how they look. Really pretty. So I'm about to be on my way to the post office. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all, I'm so irritated. So I just went into the post office, right? And there's a new lady in there. She's so rude. Real nasty attitude. But when I can't make it to the one that I like going to, I go to this one, which is close by my house. So y'all saw I had 9 packages. It's not a lot. And it literally does not take them long to scan in a package. Like, literally, it takes seconds. Because last time I was there, I got my packages scanned in. So I go up, and I'm handing her the packages, and all she's doing is setting them to the side. So I'm standing there. She's like, you can go. And I'm like, I need a receipt. Because she literally, like, she does not scan in packages at all. And it takes them 3 days to update. So my customers are most likely thinking that I'm holding them hostage and they still at the house when they're not. I'm like, I need a receipt. And she's like, I'm not scanning these packages in. Bro, I don't know what to do, but I want her gone. Like, it may sound like I'm playing, but I'm so serious. Like, that really irritated me. Because those packages will literally go to another state and they won't be scanned in at all. And then the girl that was before me said that her and I guess her husband, boyfriend or something, like, they lost $3,200 because packages weren't getting scanned in. I always keep checking on the packages until they get there. So I'm just, you know, keep watching. But yeah, I'm gonna have to like really manage my time better so that I can make it to the post office that I like going to on time. Because usually at the other post office, they'll have a bin there, but for some reason they didn't took the bin away, so you have to stand in the line, and then that one is always packed and you have to wait outside, and I can't do it. I'm not waiting outside. So when I go early in the morning, I get in and get out. So I'm gonna have to like really do better with my time management so that I can go to that post office early in the morning, because they will scan my packaging. I know that, like, even if I drop it off, it's gonna get scanned in there. But she literally, bro, she's the worst. She's literally the worst. Like, literally the worst. And then the other day when I came to drop packages off, she had her headphones in. I'm like, hello, trying to be polite. She ain't say nothing back. Like, speak, ho. But anyways, I decided to go on a rant because that just really, like, that really bothered me. I'm so irritated. I like for my work to go smooth. And I was having a good day because I got my stuff done. I got everything that I wanted to get done. And then that just pissed me off. They need some better workers, okay? I don't know what happened to the lady that used to work there. She was so sweet. She just scanned everything in. I don't know what happened. But anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see y'all in the next one.